Today is August 12, 2018, and I have a huge announcement. But let me explain first. I spend most of the time in my work, and I noticed something. There's nothing going on in my life right now. So I decided to do new things every week and make a film out of it. Yes, mag-start ako mag-weekly vlog. And this is the first vlog entry. So, let's start by shopping. When I said shopping, I meant buying some foods and hygienes and stuff in my unit. And not buying clothes, shoes, that kind of stuff. So, let's start shopping. I bought something online and nagkataon nandito ako sa Save More. So, Save More or what? Department store? I'm not sure. So, I need na iwan yung card ko and balikan ko later after namin magkita ni Ronald. So, let's go. Nandito na ako sa meeting place namin. So, I'm looking for Ronald. Yeah. Where is he? Ronald? Yes, Ronald. How are you?
Ronald, sir. Travis.
Yes.
Ito, sir. It's the item.
Ito yung...
360 na time lapse. Oh, sorry, nabasa.
Oh, it's fine.
Meron siyang... Ito yung timer niya. Ito, balik 3. Ayun, 360 siya isang oras.
Okay.
Tapos... And
60.
ang rules lang dito, pagka once na pinaikot mo siya, pag nag-change of mind ka, hindi mo siya pwedeng
Okay, ibalik.
Physical, i-rotate siya
Rotate siya.
Hintayin mo na lang siya matapos. Kung hindi naman, pwede mo naman siya i-safe keep na habang tumatakbo eh.
Okay.
Tapos, ito yung adapter pang phone.
Phone. Okay.
May choice ka, pwedeng gamitin mo pang action cam or pwedeng pang cellphone. Tapos ito may option ka kasi may mga times na kailangan mo ng yung hindi mo siya kailangan ng diretso, kailangan mo yung medyo pataas.
Okay.
Ito yung gagamitin mo. Tapos at the same time, pag windy para hindi siya mahulog, mas lalo luluwang yung base niya. Yan, ganun. Mas luluwang yung base niya para hindi siya
So, ito yung start. Nandito yung start.
Oo.
So,
Ay, tumutunog pa siya.
oo nga. Yeah, tumutunog. Can we do like 2 to 3 minutes na time lapse?
Sige sir.
I-remove ko lang to, then transfer ko dyan. Mount ko dyan.
Okay sir.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Yes, if you want to buy something, accessories in your action cam and this DSLR as well, right?
Yes sir.
You can check memory.ph. Okay? Sige. Thanks again, Roland.
Thank you sir, thank you.
We are now done testing it and I'm gonna go back and bayaran ko yung laman ng card na iniwan ko. So, let's go! There is it. There's my card there. Yung hindi inalis. Let's start buying some stuff again. Hello, good afternoon.
Shopping box, sir.
Plastic.
Plastic card.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm done shopping. And my next is, I'm not sure yet, but I'm still thinking what to do. I know now what to do after shopping. Just one click of my... Oh damn. Here you go. In my back, it's a barber shop. Yes, I'm getting a new haircut, a new look. And after this, I'm gonna meet my prof, Sir Rico, one of the best prof in Adamson University Computer Science Department. I went inside this barbershop and unfortunately bawal mag take ng video inside, so it sucks. But anyways, the idea is to have a new look. What is your name again, boss? Anton. Anton. Thank you. Thank you. Ganda na ang hairstyle. Yeah, I'm done. Look at me now. Yeah. Anton did great in... This is my first time to have a hairstyle like this. Usually, like clean looks, typical lang na hairstyle, but this one is more manly. Yes. It's nice. And now, unfortunately, hindi kami matutuloy mag-meet ng prof ko. Reason why? Look at the rain, man. It's so insane. Kasama pang malakas na hangin. So, yeah. It's sad because I have a meeting with my prof and he canceled it because hindi siya makalabas ng bahay because of the heavy rain. So, maybe next time, sir. I'm looking forward to see you. There you have it. But for now, medyo tila na yung ulan. And now, I'm going straight ahead in my work. Yes. In my work. I know, it's Sunday. It should be my rest day. Unwinding, relaxing, watching movies, get together with my friends, relatives, family. But the thing is, no one wants to go outside when there's a storm. And second is, I can't relax because I need to finish this video so I can post it tomorrow. The good thing though is I'm paid while editing this video, and second is I get paid twice for this day. So this is the end of this video. There's a lot of vlogs to come, so thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog. What the